So today I have another package on my table, and let me tell you, I'm really excited for this one. So without wasting any more time, let's open the package. So this is arguably the best made in India drone, which is none other than the Easy Fly. So first let's take a quick look at the box. So at the front of the box, we have the Easy Fly branding. Then we have an image of all the products inside the box. At the bottom, we have some of the highlights. So it has a 20 megapixel Sony CMOS sensor, 10 flying modes, and a range of up to 5 kilometers. At the side of the box, we have the flying modes again. So these are the detailed flying modes, and then the items included. At the other side, we can see all the features of the Easy Fly and also the text specifications just below that with a QR code for the app. At the back, we have another picture of the Easy Fly and then the other highlights. Now let's open it up. So the carrying case features a metal back strap to hold it and carry it, which is really great. The bag is made of very high quality material and feels really good in hand. We have a small zipper at the front, and we also have a small pocket at the back of the carrying case. So this is the main drone. Just below that, we have a charger. Next, we can see the controller itself. So this is the battery. So it shows the battery percentage here if you press it once. Next, we have the extra propellers. Next, we have the 3 types of different cable which you can use to connect your phone to the remote controller. Next, we have a micro USB cable. And at last, we have the strap which we can attach here to carry the case. At the top, we have a small zipper here, and it includes the user manual and a disclaimer, of course. So that's pretty much about the inbox contents. Now let's take a closer look at the drone and the controller. So this is the Easy Fly drone. Let's open it up. So it has a similar opening mechanism as the DJI drones, but all the arms just fold out. They don't invertedly go in. And at the back of the drone, we can put in the battery. At the bottom, we have 2 sensors and a vent to dissipate the heat. We also have a small flap on the side of the drone, which we can just open like this. And here we have the micro SD card slot. We can remove the gimbal cover through here. So this is the 3-axis gimbal here. So let's just put in the battery. So now I'm gonna boot the drone. So there was a jingle which did not look appealing at all. So now let's turn off the drone. So now let's move on to the remote controller. Let's unfold its 2 antennas. So the controller looks really basic. We don't have a lot of stuff going on here. We have the power on button, which we can turn on, and the controller signals you with a sound. Then we have the function button, and we also have a sport on-off button. The joysticks feel good, not flimsy at all. Then we have a return to home button here, and also some kind of navigator button. It has 2 triangles on it. At the bottom, we can unfold this, and here we can put our phone. And we also have the video record on-off button and the photo button and a scroller to control the gimbal as well. Taking a closer look at the battery, rated capacity is about 3100 milliamperes or 3.1 Ah. So the drone also has a mobile app called Enjoy Fly 2. Enjoy Fly 2. So you can download this app. So the app gives you a UI like this as soon as you open it up. So as soon as you log in, you're gonna get a user interface like this. Here you have a Mind tab. So here you have all the information regarding the drone and also the username. So just so you know, there will be a new app which will be launched by Easy for this drone. So that will be in some time around December. For the time being, you can use this app. Now let us connect it to our controller. So we have the port to connect our phone to our controller at the side of the RC controller. So these are 2 different ports. This is a micro USB, and this appears to be a mini HDMI. So it's gonna show a pop-up to activate your drone. So I've just done that. So it's showing flight control firmware upgrade in process. Now let's let that happen.
One eternity later.
So now once your drone is connected to your controller and phone, you can click on interface overview.
Altitude.
So here you go, the live image has popped up and this is the user interface. So this is the user interface. It is quite similar to that of DJI. We have a home button here, then we have all sorts of information displayed in this circle. Then we have the one key takeoff and land buttons. So we have the image controls here. You can switch between photo and video. Here we have a RC button for flying modes. And then we have 3 dots here. So we have the drone settings, the controller settings, the battery settings, and a settings option. So we can set the low power alarm here. So this is a great option to have. Then we have the find my aircraft option. Now let's go outside and so guys, now coming to the main question, which is whether you should buy this drone or not. So in my opinion, yes, this drone is a must buy, especially for the people living in India, because now imported drones, including DJI, are banned in India. And currently, there is no drone in India which offers this type of performance in this price range. So this drone comes with a 1-year warranty. So if you accidentally damage this drone, you can send it to the Easy Repair Center in India and get this repaired. And even if it's not in warranty, you can get it repaired at an additional cost very easily. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. See you again next time. Till then, bye-bye.